Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be replacing a rear view mirror on the Scania R series. Let's get to it.
Yeah, it is a bit too high. You need to tilt the cabin so that the mirror comes a bit low. This is the mirror I need to replace. As you can see, it's a bit shaky. You have to put another one there. Front bonnet first. Then we go ahead and jack up the cab. Okay, this is our mirror. Took out. Open up here. It's a flat screwdriver to remove the cover. So I think we should remove this one first. Then you can remove the bottom cover. Okay, round bolted the bottom cover to expose these two screws. Then we'll remove the cable. Opened up this top cover. Need to check that out. I've disconnected the cable. Now I'll be using a T30 to unscrew that. Then 18 socket to remove that. Then the mirror will be out. Damaged mirror. It's out. Okay, let's clean this up a bit so we can fit our new second-hand mirror. New second-hand mirror. Fit it up there. Okay, so our new second-hand mirror, the connector to the mirror adjusting cable is broken, so I have to take from the old mirror and replace this one. This is our connection. Now put back the connection. Here we are. Snuggle it inside nicely. And we close it up. Put back the bottom cover. Our mirror installation is done. We need to put back the all done. Now we just need to put back the cab.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications.